Well, Zoya Akhtar's next won't release until 2025, but her Superboys of Malegaon took Toronto by storm. The cast and crew killed it on the red carpet and got a massive standing ovation after the screening. We caught up with producer Zoya and two of her Superboys for this exclusive chat.
It started, I think, 12 years ago. I met Nasir and Shafiq at a festival in Delhi, the Ocean Film Festival, and I started talking to them and hanging with them, and I had seen the documentary earlier, so I had context to them, and yeah, just hearing about their life, hearing about their journey, and just the characters that they were. You know, we knew that this is a story that had to be told.
बहुत खतरनाक आइडिया है मेरे पास.
इधर ही पिक्चर बनाते ना. मालेगांव में.
कुछ गुंडा हो गया क्या? अबे तू लूम में मजदूर है. मेरी खजूर की दुकान. फटे हाल रिसाले का दिल जला अदीब फरोख.
अदीब नहीं, अजीब हो तुम.
जन्म से बेरोजगार तू. पिक्चर बनाएंगे.
कोशिश तो करते हैं.
I think what really drew me to Nasir the most was just his unrelentless passion towards, like it was almost like there was only one track in his life, and it was the love for cinema. I think that kind of obsession was something that I could really relate with, because growing up, like, I was obsessed with classical music the way Nasir was obsessed with cinema. Cinema happened to me at a later stage. So I really, really related to that. And I feel like over the course of time, while, you know, I was playing him, but also while I was researching him, I could see like other colors to him. I could make sense of the kind of decisions and the choices that he took in his life. He's just such a magnetic, charming, witty man, and it's truly an honor to be able to play him.
क्या ना क्या मालेगांव में बहुत मच बहुत रोना धोना है यार. अबे जिंदगी में थोड़ी कॉमेडी, थोड़ा हंसना जरूरी है ना.
लड़के वालों की लाइन लगा रखी है अब्बू ने.
टेंशन मत ले. ठीक है ना?
I experienced so many things like that. Like in initial days in Mumbai even, people normally when they meet, they say, चलो भाई आता हूँ. तो मैं वहाँ रुका रहता था for long time कि he said, चलो भाई आता हूँ. तो I was thinking he will come and look for me, and I left somewhere else. So I keep waiting there. And that's how I learned things. So that much of Farooq was there in me. But those things really helps me in front of the camera.
अरे मालेगांव पर जानना किसको है? क्योंकि उनके लिए हमारे जैसे लोग बेईमान हैं.
ना जुबान आती, ना दुनिया का कायदा आता, बस लोगों का फायदा उठाना आता तुझे.
तेरे को लगता है तू बहुत बड़ा ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट है ना?
He loved it. He's seen it twice. He's planning to watch it again this weekend. He has absolutely loved it, and it's quite full circle, you know what I mean? Because when I met Nasir, like I said at the festival, he told me, I'm a huge fan of your father's, and I've ripped off all his films, which he had with Sholay and Shan and stuff, and now we are making his life. Like, we kind of ripping him and making his life. So it's come a full circle. My father absolutely loves his gumption and loved the movie as well.
हो सकता है भाई.
ये ऑडिशन है?
हाँ ना. मालेगांव में ना खाली एक ही चीज की कमी नहीं है, इंसानों की.
इसलिए इधर बना रहा ना मैं.
इधर के लोगों के लिए, इधर के लोगों के साथ.
सिर्फ प्रोड्यूसर का टाइटल चाहिए.
I think that transition happened later, but like when I think of about things in retrospect, I feel like growing up, I used to love making up stories, and a lot of them were necessarily true. So I remember like going down to the park to play with my friends in the evening, and right after we would play like all kinds of games, like we'd all be sitting down and just talking. And I would just invent things that happened to me, like basically lie and make up stories about what happened to me through the day. And I would just love to watch people's reactions. So like, I always had this tendency of over-dramatizing something that was much simpler for effect, and to see how that would affect people. So I feel like that started happening since a very young age. And then as fate would have it, we moved to Mumbai, and again, it happened completely out of accident. I was singing on stage, and a coordinator back in the day asked me if I was interested in acting, and that's how I started auditioning. But I feel like I really started taking it seriously once I went to drama school. I think going to drama school changed my life in many ways. Because most importantly, I feel like I was surrounded by the right kind of people who were in it for the love of it and not to become a movie star or whatever, but they were in it because they genuinely loved the craft of it, and they discussed, and we broke down scripts and we discussed the craft more than anything else.
पीछे नहीं हटने को, सिर्फ तो तेरी पिक्चर बना तो समझा ना।
दोबारा मिलेंगे कभी? अभी खुशी मिलके तो करना चाहिए।
You have to sit and see, take the lessons learned, like what didn't work, you know, and you feel awful because you put yourself out there, and then you wake up one day and you don't feel awful anymore, and you're excited by another idea and you move on. I mean, it has to be water off a duck's back, but you have to examine it, you have to question it, and then you have to let it go and move on, because we are here for the long haul.
मालेगांव की पब्लिक, गरमा-गरम एक प्रचार आगे।
वो देख जादू का पंछी, एक दिन उड़ूंगा इसमें मैं।